Well, this is Jeannie in the glass studio, and I am working on something so fun. I've never done this before, and it's going to be so fun, and I'll tell you all about it as we go. But right now, we're making a pattern. So I'm going to stick, let's see, this is going to be here, so, and I'm going to just press my thumb right along the edge. Now, David says, the dirtier your fingers are, the better this works. And so if I press that in there.
Yeah, so you just kind of rub your fingers on a gritty part of a workbench. Then you'll pick up some dust or dirt or whatever, and it'll kind of color it for you.
Oh, careful there. Okay, so then I'm going to cut out this that I just did and make a pattern. All right, so we're going to make this pattern and go from there and see what happens.
So these are your two pieces that you're repairing.
Here and here, yeah.
And this is not the standard way you would normally repair a piece, because normally you would take the entire piece of glass out and replace it. But instead you're going to do this other method.
Right, this is the ancient art repair of KinTsugi. KinTsugi. I'm so excited to do this repair, which is crazy because I hate repairs. But a friend of mine wanted me to do this repair, and he says, I don't really care how you do it. There have been pieces that have been broken out, some are cracked. You know, you could cut it off here, you could replace the whole pieces, whatever you want to do, because it's going into a tree house. And I love tree houses, and so he says it just can be any kind of repair. So we got to talking, and he says, isn't there some kind of a repair, some kind of a Japanese repair where there's gold in it and stuff? And I thought, yeah, I remember hearing about that. So I did some research, and it's called, and let me get this right, KinTsugi. And it is, kin means gold, and tsugi means to repair or to rejoin or to put back together. So I thought, oh, this is going to be a little bit fun. So I think I just wanted you to know a little bit about KinTsugi. What I have read is that it celebrates imperfections. So when there's something broken, they don't say, oh, we want to just get rid of that so that it was never there. No, this is a special kind of a repair where you can see where it was broken and you celebrate that imperfection. It's like you can turn the broken piece, the adversity, into something really beautiful. And they do it with gold. So we're going to see what happens here, and we're going to restore this in a different kind of a way. And so first of all, you make a pattern, and we've already done that and showed you that, so we're ready for the next step. And then you have to find and cut the glass. Well, I couldn't find glass that was exactly like this, but you know, pretty close. And since it's KinTsugi anyway, then it's, you know, we're going to celebrate the imperfections, right? So I cut a couple of pieces of glass to fit using my little paper patterns. And then we put some styrofoam underneath because it had to be lifted up a little bit so it would be level. Then foil the pieces. I foiled that one, so let's get this one ready to go. Okay, so let me just get that burnished down with our fid. Okay, one more little one. Now there are more cracks, like right here and right here, that, and I'm not going to pull that apart.
You're just going to cover it over with another piece of foil?
I am.
Okay.
And I would have taken it apart, except somebody has already glued it there. And so to take that apart could ruin more of the window. It could break more of the window, and then, you know, it just makes more work. Okay, ran out of foil, so let me finish up this piece. Kind of having a love-hate relationship with this repair.
I think you've got your styrofoam stuck over too far. Pull it in under the, there you go. Okay, easy solder.
Okay, I'm going to put a copper patina over this. I might play around with some gold leafing after, but I think if that doesn't work, I think that the copper patina would look good just on its own. See that? That's pretty.
Now, what did you do to prepare the solder to accept the copper patina?
I cleaned it.
With quick clean?
Glass cleaner, yeah.
Did you use CJ's on it?
No. Yeah, that already looks cool, huh? Try a little bit of gold leafing. So I read on YouTube that you could use this Elmer's glue stick. So as long as it's tacky, then the foil, the gold leaf, will stick. So I'm just practicing on just an example here. And I'm gonna just get a little bit of it. So I don't want to waste it. It's fragile little stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna grab it. I don't know if you're supposed to, probably not. I know people are going to say, gee. I think that one's done for. Okay, so anyway, got this brush. Really, can I get this? No. Okay, this stuff is hard to work with, right? So you just have to be patient.
Patient and practiced.
And practice, yeah, a lot of practice. So obviously I need practice, right? Okay.
So now you want to show them the finished window?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to put gold leaf, even though that's kind of the KinTsugi way, is to have it be gold. But I don't know, I like the copper better, and by the time I get the gold leaf on here, I'm thinking I would just mess it up. So there it is, finished. It's my way of doing KinTsugi.
Okay. Right. So
Thanks for being with us. Thanks for experiencing all of the experiments that we do. And if you try it yourself and do it better, send us a video. So see you for now, and we'll see you next time.